Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's episode is going to be about my hair care. So if you guys are interested, so please keep on watching where I will share my hair products and the homemade mask which I like to use. But before we begin, I have a few disclaimers to give. And I don't want you guys to skip through it. So please keep on watching. So let's start. First one. Please do a patch test of each and every product which I am going to demonstrate or showing you guys in this video because everyone's skin, hair and body reacts differently to different products. So that's that. And second one, I haven't gotten done any type of chemical treatment in my hair like smoothing, straightening or keratin. I just have gotten done highlights in my hair. It called balayage. So yeah, that's that. And third one is I have a oily scalp with dry ends, and I have a thick wavy hair. So that's a little description of my hair type. So now let's start with the video. So first thing comes first, oiling. So the first and the very important step in hair care is oiling, which is very crucial. So I use hair oil twice a month in my hair, and I put hair mask twice a month, which works wonder for me. I will show you the recipe of the hair mask in the video. So keep on watching. So please do try it guys and let me know how it worked for you, because any hair type can use this mask. It will make your hair so smooth, so silky, so your hair will look healthy, shiny and bouncy. So let's start with the hair mask now. All you need to make this mask is full fat curd, vitamin E capsules and honey. I am taking 1 cup curd here and adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can take according length and volume of your hair. Then I am taking 2 vitamin E capsules here. You can take more if you have a more dry and frizzy hair. And then I am squeezing it into the curd and honey. And then I am going to mix it very well. Okay, so this mask is great due to all natural ingredient. Like curd is excellent ingredient to keep the scalp infections at bay due to its antibacterial properties, and it is rich in vitamin B5 and D, which is an excellent superfood for hair. Whereas honey moisturizes dry strands and adds shine to dull hair and helps restore the natural luster of the hair. And vitamin E can help support a healthy scalp because of its natural antioxidant properties, which can boost the hair growth. So apply this mask from root to tips in your hair and then leave it there for 1 hour and then wash with mild shampoo. And the second step is shampoo. For that I use this shampoo to wash my hair, concentrating mainly on the scalp because all the dirt and oil accumulates on the scalp only. So I don't rub my I don't rub the length of my hair too much because that can make the hair dry. So I don't do that. And after that I use a hair mask as a hair conditioner. For that I use this. I use this one. Yep. So what I like to do with this, after washing my hair, I apply hair mask on the length of my hair, and I apply it very gently and then leave it there for 5 minutes and then rinse it off nicely, making sure there is no remaining product left in my hair and it's all clean. Yeah, that's that. But talking about hair mask or conditioner, whatever you like to call it, biggest mistake I kept doing for the longest time is what I used to do previously. मैं क्या करती थी, I used to rub the product in my hair ये सोच के कि प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक एक स्ट्रैंड में, एक एक हेयर स्ट्रैंड में अच्छे से मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूँ विदाउट नोइंग दैट फैक्ट कि इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग गुड आई एम डैमेजिंग माई हेयर, बिकॉज देर इज़ अ वन फैक्ट हियर. Whereas shampoo opens the hair cuticles, what conditioner's function is, conditioner seals up the moisture, nutrients and pollutants back into the hair, which in turn provides the strength to the hair shaft and making hair strong, soft and smooth, but only if it used correctly. So when I used to rub hair mask in my hair vigorously instead of applying softly and gently, the hair follicles were still remained open and it kept losing its moisture, nourishment and pollutants. So कंडीशनर लगाने का कोई फ़ायदा मिलता नहीं था मुझे, and that in turn made my hair dry and brittle, which was not the cute look. And I was thinking कि यार क्या wrong कर रही हूँ मैं, क्या गलत कर रही हूँ, why my hair is so dry. Then I researched and then I came to know that I was applying conditioner in the wrong way, and that left me with dry and frizzy hair. So that is a one tip I like to give you guys. Please don't rub the conditioner in your hair, just apply it gently and softly, and that will make your hair soft, nice and smooth. And finally I apply serum in my hair. After towel drying it, I just take a drop of it and warm it between my palm and just apply it like this normally in the length and the end of the hair. And then I let it air dry. I don't use heat on my hair frequently. अगर मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना है तभी मैं heat इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, like hair dry or anything else. I just use hair dry whenever I have to go out, but when I am at home I just let it air dry itself. But good hair care के साथ good diet is equally important. Please increase your protein intake so your skin and your hair will remain healthy and will look gorgeous and look shiny. And please don't stress out. That will help you achieving a good beautiful hair. So yeah, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload new video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe and stay happy.